If an outage isn't the culprit, incorrect APN settings are a likely cause. APN settings are how your phone connects to Simple Mobile's network for data. These settings vary based on whether Simple Mobile uses Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T in your area. To manually configure your APN, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, Access Point Names on Android. You may need to delete existing APN profiles and create a new one with the correct details. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network. Here are the APN settings for each network. For Verizon, APN equals simple, MMSC equals mms.text.com/servlets/MMS, MMS proxy equals 205.239.233.136, MMS port equals 81. For T-Mobile, APN equals simple, MMSC equals cheap/trackphone.com, MMS proxy equals 216.15.165.50, MMS port equals 8080. For AT&T, APN equals MVNO, proxy equals proxymobile.net, port equals 80, MMS equals hmmc.mobile.net, MMS proxy equals proxy.mobile.net, MMS port equals 80. After entering these settings, restart your phone. Another potential fix is ensuring your device has the latest carrier settings. On iOS, go to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to install it. On Android, the process varies by device, but look for a Network Settings Reset option in your mobile network settings. If problems persist, contact Simple Mobile Support at 1-877-878-7904 or visit a store for assistance.